Crunchy, crispy, and made right here in Hawaii. Huff and Puff Okoshi is now at KTA. Get ready for your next level obsession. Furikake Arare delights. The fusion of crispy puffed rice and savory umami-packed furikake takes snacking to the next level. Macadamia nut delights made with golden puffed rice, rich, buttery Hawaiian macadamia nuts. This snack is light, crispy, and irresistibly smooth. Kona Coffee Macadamia Delights. Rich Kona coffee meets the buttery crunch of premium Hawaiian macadamia nuts. Rich, bold, with that island kick. And let's be real, you're not stopping at just one.